Today we're going to be installing the TLR-7 sub. We always want to practice safety first. Remove the magazine and make sure there are no rounds that are chambered. Pay attention to the TLR-7. There are a few things. One is that we're going to unscrew the side screw here, and if you notice, it's spring-loaded. Also notice there's a key here. That key should match up to the notch in your rail. I'm putting it on from the side as I'm squeezing the screw. Line them up. Once installed, use the included multi-tool to tighten the screw. Just hand tighten. Now it is installed. The next thing you want to do is take a look at another feature of the TLR-7 sub. We have high and low switches, and you can mix and match to meet your needs. In this particular case, I'd like to have more clearance on this side to be able to get my finger in. So I'm going to remove this switch here. We're using the included multi-tool. Notice I didn't even have to take it off the firearm. Put that low switch in place, and using the multi-tool, I just push the rod back in, and now I've got clearance to put my finger in, and this side still has the high switch for ease of use. Final step, we want to install the battery. So take the face cap, twist it loose. We're going to install the battery, positive in first. Also, that information is clearly marked on the side of the TLR. Return the face cap. Notice you'll feel a slight divot where it's a little loose. Keep turning, and now you can turn on your TLR. The divot that you felt is something that we call safe off. So when your gun is in storage or you're moving it from one place to another, you won't accidentally bump the switch and turn on the light. Well, now the light is installed. Thank you for watching.